Hi, this is Carl. A colleague recently asked me, does the FDA-approved Thermostatic Bellows element fill in sanitary steam traps? It's a good question. The FDA doesn't specifically approve any valve, steam trap, or any of their components for use in a pharma plant. However, the FDA on its own and in conjunction with ICH has worked to offer industry guidance as to suitable materials for use in manufacturing. Last year, the ICH released their Q3C document regarding classification and use of solvents in pharmaceutical manufacturing. ICH, along with FDA, have classified solvents used for pharmaceutical manufacturing as Class 1, 2, or 3 in terms of toxicity to human health. Class 1 solvents are considered the most toxic and are to be completely avoided anywhere in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Class 3 solvents include no solvent known as a human health hazard at levels normally accepted in pharmaceuticals. With regard to clean steam traps, Steriflow Valve uses a proprietary mix of alcohols in the bellows fill fluids used in our Mark 93 series steam traps. The alcohols we use meet the Class 3 solvent classification. So don't be fooled. No manufacturer can state that the bellows fill fluid is FDA approved. We can only state that the bellows element fill fluid meet the criteria as listed by FDA and ICH Q3C as a Class 3 solvent. I'm Carl, and thanks for watching. For more information or any additional questions, please email me at askcarl@richardsind.com. Thank you.